You guys are going to be using the graphic organizer to make a conclusion based on the organizer from the paper airplane lab. So boys and girls, redirect your attention up here. So each of you should have in front of you, everyone should have the paper copy of the ET graphic organizer. And I know it was a while. I know it's been a while since we've done the paper airplane lab, but do you have between you and your partner or partners at least one copy of the paper airplane lab so you have the information that you need to work with?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So what we're going to do together, you can see that there's sticky notes throughout the room. Those sticky notes you're going to use one at a time. I'm going to bring up the ET graphic organizer. So you have the black and white version. I have the color version up here. So what you're going to do is, as your group goes through this outline, I'm going to say, okay, now I want you to brainstorm for your red head on ET. It says, this experiment investigated. On top it says, who or what is the topic about? This is where you restate the question. This is one of the easiest parts of filling out your graphic organizer. So what you're going to do, together you'll talk about it. What was our question for this lab? Write it down on your graphic organizer in the blank space. Then you're going to have one person in your group write down the question on a sticky note. Come on up here and put it on top of that section. It's going to get a little crowded out here, and that's okay. Does this make sense? Okay, ready? Questions? Right here is where you put your hypothesis. This is where you say what was predicted and then whether or not it was accepted or rejected. This is going to look different than your questions because those were all the same. Your hypotheses might look a little different. Make sense?
Yeah.
This next box is what you move on to next. Right here it says state the quantitative data. This is where you put the average of the plane with the paperclip, the average of the plane without the paperclip. So you're only having two numbers in this box. That will be the same for both of you. Okay? Right here it says explain using qualitative data. That means what about the plane do you think made the one with or without the paperclip make it fly further? Okay, so you're making qualitative observations about the plane. If you don't agree, if you and your partner have different reasons for why one plane flew further than the other, your numbers will be the same on top of your sticky note. Write your two reasons on the bottom, just separately. Good? Awesome.
Who got it?
Yeah.